And the little dog thinks he's playing with them. They ignore the fuck out of that little dog. They're having fun. She's actually fighting for her life. We don't know that. That's funny. That is so funny. She lays down. She gave up.
You gave up?
She forgets she's in a fight. Okay, I'm taking a break. Go Wowzers! Come on, Wowzers, attack!
Hello? Yeah?